What's the most unexplainable event that has happened to you? We had a house for a while that was a bit like a wedding cake. On top was a little snug room a bit like a ship's crow's nest. You could see for ages around. We were in the middle of an empty, square patch of land and it backed onto an unused field, big, flat, open, nowhere to hide. No trees lining it, just more flat fields and then a tall back wall. A wall of about 4 foot high separated the field and my house. One day, late afternoon kind of time, I'm up there just relaxing and I hear these blood-curdling screams, "Help me. Help me," all of that. A woman, probably Australian, screaming in English. I've never heard anything like it. From my nest, I can see her running across the field at the back, kind of limping, pretty sure she was bloodied, messed up either way. She was about halfway through it when I saw her. Big field. I run down to the ground floor and towards the field and she was gone. No sign of her at all. It took me all of about a minute, if that. I was gunning it down there to get to the field but she had just vanished. Nowhere to be seen. Unless Usain Bolt was pursuing her, it is incredibly unlikely someone came into the field, grabbed her and pulled her back out without me having seen them. Pretty much impossible really. I sent my house security out to look for her.